Okay, and the rest actually is simple, nothing so special. And then we need to copy our maps. Okay, so previously we have created two maps for our two tracers, which is gas in the gas cap and gas outside the gas cap. We will copy them and make exactly the same for oil in gas cap and oil in oil rim. So let's go to our file. Okay, so this is our file. And yeah, this is GCG is for the gas cap, the gas in the gas cap. We will copy and just paste and rename them as GCO like this. And on the same way, this is for the gas of the oil rim. We just copy and change it to or rename it to or O to denote the oil of the oil rim. Okay, so and of course they will be included in in the include file. So let's cut and then put them in the include folder. Okay, and then let's go to our simulation or user interface. Okay, and then we need to put the location of our maps within the solution. Okay, so here we have the solution. I will put that, yeah. So I already type in the name. So yeah, it's here. Okay, so I put that in include folder. So tNavigator will take this, will take this file to be included in the solutions section. Okay, and then don't forget to click save, close, and then we can, of course, reload to make the simulation or the modeling ready. Okay, so we will reload. All right. Okay, so we have reloaded and let's check the calculated. Here we have new tree, which is called ASP flood and tracers. So this is for our tracers. And you see we have four tracer. The first one is the gas of the gas cap, GCG, and then the oil in the gas cap, GCO, and then the gas in the oil rim, ORG, and the gas in the oil rim, ORO. Initial concentration, 1 for the gas of the gas cap. All right. There is no gas initially. Okay, in the gas cap, there is no oil, I mean. And then this is the gas in oil rim. And then oil in oil rim. Or I think we made a mistake because the GCO, we should find value of 1 in GCO because we just copy GCO from GCG, right? And the same thing with ORG, it should be the same with ORO. So let's go back to the files. Let me pause it. Okay, and then here, so I'm going to delete it and then copy and then paste and then rename it as GCO. Okay, and then for this one should be ORO. Okay, and yep, we can go back to the user interface and then again we will reload. All right, so this one and then reload. Okay, so the problem is not yet solved. And I think there is a problem with the keyword. So let's go to files and then let's find the solution. All right, here. So we have problem with GCO. Let's open it. All right, so this is the problem. Okay, because the keyword within this file is still GCG. It should be GCO. All right, be careful there, GCO. So we already edit the file. This is GCO map and the keyword should be GCO. And then of course we go back to the solution and then let's find the, I think it's ORO. And yeah, I will maximize and let's just change it to ORO and then control save. Easy. And let's reload it. Okay, so we have done the reloading. Let's check at the calculation, add tracer. Okay, 1 in the gas cap for GCG. And what about GCO? All right. Okay, so there is only a keyword issue. It's normal to occur during your simulation. All right, so don't be scared. So gas in oil rim. Okay, we have gas and the concentration or initial concentration is 1, and the same for the oil in oil rim. Okay, let's go to 3D. And what else after this? Of course, we want to, you know, we want to do the simulation. So let's just click on run, but I want to look at the GCG, and let's remember this, this distribution. There must be changes after we run the simulation.